Hello and welcome to Sodexis. We're going to look at another new feature in Odoo V19. It is a nightly rental period. Previously, these were just your options: daily, hourly, monthly. You could also do weekly, quarterly, bi-monthly, and you could set different years and stuff like that, and weeks, just depending on these units. Now you have the ability to set rental products to a night unit, and you can select the time frames in which you'd like this to happen. Right now it's set to 3 p.m. into a 10 a.m. checkout the next day. So if we go over here to our products, we can go into the product I was working on and make sure sales and rental are all checked on. If you go to the rental prices tab, you can see here is where you set the period, make sure it's nightly, and then whatever price you'd like to sell it at. Now we can go back to our orders, create a new rental order, and we can add that product. And you can see it shows you the time frame and the price you set here on the product underneath that rental prices tab. And you are good to go at that point. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.